Along with the refrigerator and stove, the washing machine is one of the most important appliances you have in your home. When it breaks, it's a problem. The clothes just pile up for a family, and the average repair is now 4 weeks or longer in many areas. In this video, you'll learn about the most reliable top-load washers, how reliability is calculated, and some advice when shopping for washing machines. Before we begin, buying reliable anything these days is more important than ever. The supply chain issues you're probably hearing about are now even worse for parts than regular appliances. So let's get started. Last year we logged 48,392 service calls. To calculate reliability, we take the number of repairs and divide it by how many were sold within the first year. We service all our appliances for free within that first year, so that gives you a pretty accurate idea on brand reliability. The good news, every top-load washer is reliable, way better than the average of 9.5% for appliances in general. Of course, repair does escalate during the life of a machine. But all the brands are excellent with a total of 5.66%. LG is the standout at 1.65% service, which is the lowest ever since we have recorded reliability, but all are at least 1.5% better than the average. 1.65% is so low, we double-checked the numbers to make sure they were correct. Then I looked at the machines thinking they were basic and could explain it as a simple machine with few cycles. However, the most popular washer sold is the Mega Capacity, and Turbo Wash to shorten any cycle to 30 minutes. It's also smart enabled, so you can control this washer from your phone. So it's a pretty advanced machine. Maytag is on the high end of the Whirlpool lineup with more features, specifically the extra power button. The cycle starts in cold and gradually warms to wash both color and white fabrics. Maytag also has their deep fill cycle for more water to saturate your clothes for a better clean. Whirlpool is usually the simpler machine, which is odd that the more featured Maytag is more reliable. Usually it's the other way around because they're the same brand. Speed Queen is traditionally a commercial manufacturer of coin-ops and laundromat equipment. They're a throwback with solid construction and a stainless steel tub and knob controls. The cycles are simple, including deep fill and rinse for a more thorough clean. The most popular models have a 5 to 7 year warranty. You would think the simple top load is more reliable than a more complicated front load. However, it's pretty close, with front loads needing service 6.27% of the time, or only 0.59% greater than a top load. But top loaders are easier to repair than the front loads. The front loads have better capacity, are more energy and water efficient, and spin faster for less time in the dryer. Top load laundry is reliable, with LG being stellar and every other brand being reliable. Laundry as a category is more reliable than appliances in general. You may also want to consider front load because it's bigger and more efficient. The top loader is less expensive and easier to fix. Just make sure you know who will service your appliances before you buy. Click the link to download our free washer buying guide and to learn more about all the most popular brands, get answers to frequently asked questions, and learn buying strategies to save you money. Almost 1 million people have found answers in the Yale guide. Thanks for watching.